Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, is it better than the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Here are the iPhone 17 Pro Max's top 5 major new upgrades to expect over the iPhone 16 series in September this year. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The future iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting upgrades we've seen in years. If early leaks and reports are to be believed, Apple is moving beyond the usual year-on-year tweaks. We're talking about a whole new model, bolder design changes, camera upgrades, and better hardware across the board. Expected to debut between September 11 to 13, 2025, the iPhone 17 series lineup will reportedly include 4 amazing variants. The standard iPhone 17, a brand new slimmest iPhone 17 Air, and the higher-end iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max flagships. Here are top 5 major changes you should know about before you decide to upgrade. Number 1. iPhone 17 Air is replacing the Plus variant. Apple is dropping the Plus model this year and replacing it with the thinnest model, the iPhone 17 Air, which is said to be the slimmest iPhone ever, measuring just 5mm to 6.25mm in thickness. Number 2. A new take on design. While Apple's basic model iPhone 17 is expected to carry forward the iPhone 16's pill-shaped camera setup, the iPhone 17 Air model will feature a horizontal camera layout with just one camera lens, with a fresh and minimal look. Meanwhile, the Pro models will embrace a bolder design, showcasing a rectangular triple camera island layout, which looks more premium and performance-oriented. Number 3. Faster Apple A19 Pro chip under the hood. Performance is also getting a serious boost. The iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air are said to come with Apple's new A19 chipset and 8GB of RAM, while the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max models could get the more powerful Apple A19 Pro chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM, ensuring smoother multitasking, gaming, and future iOS support. Number 4. ProMotion display for all iPhone 17 models. Finally, Apple is bringing 120Hz ProMotion displays to the entire lineup. Expect smoother scrolling and better visuals on both the iPhone 17, likely with a 6.3-inch screen, and the iPhone 17 Air, rumored to be 6.6 inches. Number 5. Upgraded cameras, smarter zoom. The basic iPhone 17 could pack a 48-megapixel main sensor, paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, while the iPhone 17 Air sticks to a single 48-megapixel shooter. The Pro models still triple 48-megapixel sensors, but this time with a 3.5x optical zoom and up to 7x lossless digital zoom using in-sensor cropping. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.